Look what we got here, y'all. Got us a gravity flow wagon that my granddaddy hauls moonshine mash in to feed to his cows. But when he has a bearing go bad in the hub, he figures the best thing for him to do is just limp it as far as he can go, see if he can get it home. Now look what's left of this hub we got here. How in the hell he made it home like that, I have no idea. Because if it had been me, I'd have been on the side of the road, whether I wanted to be or not. Look how he ate this shaft up. Gonna be a fun day.